In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a URL link for a PDF document. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to take any PDF file on your computer and turn it into a shareable web link that you can send in an email, add to a website, or post on social media. First, make sure you have your PDF file saved somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a clearly labeled folder. Give the file a simple, descriptive name without special characters. This helps avoid upload issues later and makes it easier for you to recognize the file. Next, you'll need a place online to host your PDF. The most common and beginner-friendly option is a cloud storage service, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. In this example, imagine we're using a typical cloud storage dashboard. Open your preferred service in a web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, locate the button that lets you upload files. It usually says something like New, Upload, or Add File. Click that, choose File Upload, and navigate to the folder on your computer where your PDF is saved. Select the PDF and confirm the upload. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may take a few seconds. After the upload finishes, you should see your PDF listed in your storage. Click on the file once to select it. Look for an option such as Share, Get Link, or Copy Link. This is the key step. Your storage service will generate a unique URL that points directly to your PDF. Before you copy that link, check the sharing settings. You want to make sure that anyone with the link can view the file, especially if you plan to share it widely. Adjust the permissions from Restricted or Only Me to something like Anyone with the link can view. Avoid giving edit access unless you specifically want others to modify the document. Now, copy the generated link. You can paste this URL into an email, a message, a document, or your website's content editor. When someone clicks that link, their browser will open the PDF directly, or prompt them to download it, depending on their settings. Finally, it's a good idea to test the link yourself. Open a new private or incognito window, paste the URL, and make sure the PDF loads correctly without asking for a login. If it works there, you're ready to share it with others.